Oh shit, let's go. Book it.
Oh my god, they stuck it.
Hey, take a right here.
That's the dog. Straight ahead, that's the dog. Look at the dog, yeah.
Yeah, it is. You know what, whatever. No different photos, we're not doing nothing. Yo, welcome to a brand new insane video. So there's a couple things I gotta tell you guys before this starts. Number one, if we say the word dogs, that's code word for cop, just because if we stream it, police won't know. And this was an insane video. There was a little bit of footage that was corrupted late in the video that I'll let you know about, but enjoy this video.
Look, I'm gonna show you how. I'm gonna show you.
You wanna dive me up?
Hey, let's go around the lake one time. Hey.
And be quiet.
I don't know if you're watching, but I did a really important.
Did you?
Oh, what the fuck?
Oh! Yo, can I try on those glasses? You look styling, sir. Yes. Damn, you got no ass.
Why are you looking? Hey, we're going up there. Fuck on that thing. We're going up there. Fucked up liver with a bag.
Let's go through it. So, I have no idea what happened. You can see there's a bear in that tree right there. I'm just finding this out after recording all of this. And it was there as we were like, hey, let's just go under the tape. Just keep going. So, let's keep playing the clips. I'm going through this shit.
Why is this shit closed?
Oh my god, I'm so sorry. It's because they're all gay, I swear. Woo! Oh fuck, dude. Oh, sorry. Hey, security. Hey, just right past him. Hey, we want one photo. That's it, and we're gone. All right?
No tagging the boys.
I got you. No, we're not done like that. Book it.
Oh my god, they stuck it.
All right, here. We all good, yeah. I'm going. Damn, that's fucking loud. Hey, let's see what's in here first. Oh! I got you. Shit, no. They'll see it. Let's go. Yo. It's live.
Let's go.
The phone. Ah, shit. There's gotta be a hose somewhere if there's not.
We need to take the stuff out though.
I'll hold on to your speaker.
Hold on to your drink. No, they're not big enough. No, bro, stop!
Alright, bring it
They're not
back.
big enough.
Oh my god, they're dropping on my feet. Oh shit, they're all falling. Wait, they're all falling.
That's the point of them.
Are we gonna throw them off
When
from
they
here?
get some, they're supposed to drop by themselves.
Yeah, but we don't want them to all drop because then they'll pop in your backpack if they're too big. Oh shit.
Look at this dude.
Toss it.
It's leaking out through the bottom, bro. Step on it.
The evidence is gone, dude. It's fucking leaking out underneath. Just like shit was leaking out from Andrew's ass. So now we gotta get in here. Hello. How you doing? Do you mind if you can get the elevator for us? No, go right. Trust me. Hurry, hurry, hurry! Yeah, okay. Yeah. Yeah, you have a nice car, man. Oh, shit. Fuck, that hurt. I went to go stop and I fucking hit my back of my leg on my pedal. Nah, we're not locking our bikes up. We're riding in Target.
No, they don't care.
They don't care at all.
Good, 30. This should get 5 seconds.
Yo, we should try and get in the back room.
Oh, see, look at this. She was like,
That's amazing. Let's go inside. Let's go inside.
he got the door. That's balls right there.
That was fucking amazing. Oh.
Yeah.
Shh.
Bro, you don't care not getting caught.
Yo. Quiet spokes. Huh? Yeah, it's connected to my speaker.
Don't stop. That's the worst thing we could do. Go back.
Uh-oh.
You guys leaving?
Yeah.
Alright, thanks.
No, I get it. Yeah, let's go. Shit, we avoided security for as long as we can. Wait, it's not getting caught by security. Security comes, we just keep riding. Yeah. It's Mackie. Oh shit, someone's coming. Someone's coming. It's a big ass. Let's go.
That nigga big as hell.
It was huge, dude.
Remember, that dude was big as hell, bro.
Oh shit, let's go. Book it.
Start with the security. Like, oh my god, they stuck it. I was
Hey, cops, dip. Hey, take a left, come here. Yo, that is police.
They coming, I see them.
I hear them.
No, I see them.
Take a left here. Come here. Go. I'm sitting right here.
Put your bike underneath the truck or something. Hey, were you recording? Are you recording right now?
Yeah. Hey, get it under there farther. Just push them all the way back. We're gonna wait exactly 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and we're gonna dip and go to another spot.
10 minutes.
And then we'll go down a bunch of side streets and dip.
I just found a free fucking drink. I know, I told you it was up.
That's alcohol. All right, so there's two that just came up: domestic disturbance and design patrol area.
Damn.
That was definitely not sparkling water.
That's a bomb.
That shit was waiting for you to open so it exploded.
Alright, so we have, yeah, domestic disturbance. It's a G1 district.
What's that mean?
Ooh, that means we can get out of this district, and then it would be a separate line of cops, and they wouldn't even they can't do that.
How far away is this?
Probably
We just have to
about a mile that way.
You can't be doing no stupid shit though.
We ain't gonna get caught. You best believe that. You can ask Troy how many times me and him have ran, we never got caught. Only one time I've ever gotten caught legit, and that was with Alex, because he came back for me. Like a fucking moron.
He brought the cops with him.
He literally brought the cops with him to me, basically.
Right here. No, there's not. There is. Behind that tree. Not a cop, man. 2 more trespassers came on.
Fuck.
Landon, it's probably Landon, bro.
Nah,
Landon might have got caught.
Yeah, because Landon's off on a skateboard. He can't. Landon can't run as fast as us. No, he can't skateboard fast.
Yo, let's dip. Right now. We're gonna go out kind of the same way we came and then dip. Because if that really is a police car, they're just calling in more.
Bro, this is the perfect place to fuck.
Bro, what?
Yo, let's go. Hey, take a right. Come over the curb. Over here, over here, over here. Actually, here. Just come here. Go straight. Go straight.
That's actually one smart move. If you go backwards, because most people.
Damn, this is a good spot. Come here, come here, come here. Cops on bikes, let's go now. They scare me, dude. I cannot with cops on bikes. Yeah, they're coming. Yeah.
You can always sit back.
Nope. We ride up then sit. We're all good. Does that let out? That lets out. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Yeah.
Let's out.
Cops. Wait, look straight in front of us. You're gonna see goodbye. Hopefully. Right there, watch the cop, watch the cop. Unless he turned in, right there.
Right there.
Let's go. That means he also didn't see us, let's go. Isaac is the loudest fucking thing here. I'll have every single person look this way. Yo, there's 2 cops in the parking lot. Oh shit!
You would have to dish it.
I'm not leaving my backpack or my knife. Did too.
I would have just kept cruising.
That's a dog. That's a dog. Straight ahead, that's a dog. Look at the dog gaps.
Yeah, it is. You know what, whatever. They're different photos, we're not doing nothing.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, take your best guess at what happened next.
We're almost done, dude. All right, we need to go down to the front of your kneecaps now. Now down to your chest. We got you. Good.
I can let you know, it was definitely a cop.